Good morning, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an invigorating power yoga routine planned to help you start your day with energy and purpose. So roll out your mat, grab some water, and let's dive in. We'll begin our practice by grounding ourselves in mountain pose. Close your eyes and visualize your feet rooted firmly to the earth like a mountain. Your body stands tall, strong, and unshakable. Feel the energy rise from the soles of your feet, up through your legs, your core, your chest, and finally to the top of your head. Now take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale fully. In this moment of silence, set your intention for the day and let's flow. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead and exhale, fold forward into Uttanasana. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs as you surrender to gravity. Inhale, lift halfway up, lengthening your spine, and exhale. Place your hands on the mat and step or hop back into plank pose. Engage your core and align your body from head to heel. Lower down with control, hugging your elbows to your sides. Inhale, press through your hands and lift your chest into upward facing dog. Feel the front of your body opening as you draw your shoulders back. Exhale, lift your hips and press back into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide and press into your palms as you lift your tailbone towards the sky. This is your home base, a place to reset and reconnect with your breath. Take a few breaths here, finding length in your spine and grounding through your hands and feet. Step your right foot forward, spin your back foot down, and reach your arms overhead into Warrior One. Feel the power surge from the earth, up through your legs, and out through the crown of your head. This is a pose of strength, resilience, and determination. Breathe deeply and allow your body to absorb these qualities. Now, transition into Warrior Two. Pivot on your back foot, open your hips, and extend your arms out in line with your shoulders. Turn your gaze over your right fingertips. As you hold this pose, channel the strength of a warrior, poised and ready for anything the day throws at you. These poses, Warrior One and Warrior Two, are not just about physical strength. They're about cultivating inner strength and confidence. Every time you step into these poses, you're reinforcing your ability to stand strong in your truth and face challenges head-on. Feel the energy radiating through your fingertips as you ground down through your feet. Straighten your front leg and reach forward, placing your hand on your shin, ankle, or the floor in triangle pose. Extend your opposite arm towards the sky, inviting a line of energy from one set of fingertips to the other. Feel the stretch along your side body, creating space with every breath you take. Now transition into chair pose. Bend your knees and sink your hips back as if sitting on an invisible chair. Reach your arms overhead, creating a powerful line of energy from your fingertips to your tailbone. Feel the engagement in your thighs and core, heating up your body from the inside out. Remember to breathe, using every exhale to sink a little deeper into the pose. Finally, let's find some gentle relaxation in child's pose. Slowly lower your knees onto the mat, spreading them wide as you sink your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms in front of you and rest your forehead on the mat. Allow your body to surrender into the pose, releasing any tension with each exhale. Take deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax completely. Feel the rhythm of your breath, the calmness of your mind, and the softening of your body. Embrace this moment of tranquility before we move on to our final pose. And now, it's time for our final relaxation in corpse pose. Lay back, let your body melt into the mat, and close your eyes. Let every muscle soften, from your forehead to your toes, as you revel in the calm energy flowing through you. This is your moment to absorb the benefits of the practice, to embrace the peace and strength you've cultivated. Remember to carry this sense of strength and positivity with you as you conquer whatever challenges come your way. Until next time, Namaste.